Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show how to enable Icon Excel Add In. So you open Excel spreadsheet and then you go to Files and go to Options, and then under Options there is this Add-ins, and then under Add-ins we can go to Com Add-in, click Go, and make sure in this Windows you check on Refinitiv icon Microsoft Office. This has to be checked, and then click OK, and then go back again to Options under Add-in, check on Disabled Items, go, make sure nothing is disabled. Let me double check again, Excel Add-in, this one, yeah. Under Excel Add-in, you make sure that if you don't have this icon data stream Excel, that's fine. No need to worry about that. But if there's a Thomson Reuters Excel formulas, you check on it and then click OK. So once you make all those changes, um, close the Excel, and then when you reopen again, so reopening Excel, so once you reopen Excel, you should be able to see the ribbon. Okay, in a moment. So now I do this, and then you should see this ribbon, Refinitiv icon, after you do that step. So once you do that, click on it and then click sign in. It is now connecting. And if you don't have your icon open yet, when you click sign in, it will pop up a Windows, and it will be asking you to enter your user ID and password. Okay, so wait until now the status changed to online, and that means the data in your Excel will be powered by Icon. Okay, please give it a try and let me know how it works. If you want to explore additional function in Excel, you can either go to templates, and when you load up templates, um, there will be a few additional items. Okay, I don't think I have any templates here. Sorry, there you go. So yeah, you can review the templates. There are some pre-built templates in here. You can explore based on specific function here. Have a look because this is quite comprehensive based on asset classes as well. And then if you want to build anything from scratch, you can use the build formula. If you need to look for the rig code, because I noticed that in the spreadsheet created, uh, you know, uh, you don't necessarily remember the Reuters code, so you can click on this, click search here, and then you can type, let's say, for example, Microsoft. Simply type like that, and then you will see the ticker or the Reuters instrument code. Yeah, and then I can keep on adding. Let's say Alibaba. Yeah. And so you get the idea. Basically, if you need to look for the rig code, you can just click on the search. Yeah. Okay, I hope this is helpful and let me know how it works. Thank you.